Hi everyone, this is Jay Peak. I want to show you today the process that happens after somebody goes to our sales funnels and essentially what the client experience looks like and then what it looks like on your side as the agent once you receive the lead. So let's just clarify what's happening here. You put out an ad somewhere online. It could have been Facebook, Google, there's lots of different ways to advertise, and then they click on an advertisement. They go to a sales funnel just like you're seeing here in front of you, and then they either create a lead or they book a time or both, depending on how you set it up. So let's first talk about the sales funnel. Essentially, this one is obviously for health insurance and allows them to enter their information here. Talks about some of the key benefits. Here's a video that I created. Obviously, different pieces of information here for them. And then I have another example here for you. This is for a Medicare supplement funnel that we use a lot in different videos, educational videos here. Some branding advocate man there. He brings in a lot of business, believe it or not. And that's Price, his Great Dane, and he's modeled actually after my Great Dane. But anyways, so these are sales funnels, and so what happens is someone comes to a sales funnel like this, and they'll enter their name, and I'm just going to put in here test so I know what this is, and put in my email address. So this would be the client doing this process right now, and I want to lower my rate, and then it takes them to a thank you page. Okay, so the first deal was they saw an ad, they clicked on the ad, they went to the page and said, yes, I want more information about that, and then they entered their information into a form, and here's the lead that came up right there. So it just came up JPeak test right there. So let's get rid of that, but that's essentially what would have happened. And then right here we have a video explaining the different health insurance programs that we have, my picture, call us anytime, different offices that we have. So that's basically the process, okay? Now, another thing you can do is have them book an appointment as well on this page. And so I'll show you kind of what that looks like. We use Calendly, which is here. You can use any kind of calendar booking service that you want to. It doesn't have to be Calendly. But we can integrate through an API this code right here, or this link into your sales funnel to have them click on it and book an appointment with you if you want to. Or you can just call the lead. It's totally up to you. But so you can see we have health insurance, Medicare, dental, different strategies here, okay? And depending on what kind of campaign we are running, we turn them on and off. Now, let me just show you some bookings. Let's just use the health insurance because it's highlighted here. Let's go to the past. So we just ran a campaign, and this is September 30th. Right now it's October 8th, actually, but this is a September 30th campaign that we ran. And these are all appointments that were booked. There's the 28th, the 26th. So we're going backwards in time here. Okay, so let's go to another page. And there you go. These are all different appointments that we have off this link. I'm not going to keep going, but you can see how many there are. It's a lot. If we come over here to this, let me just turn this on, and I'll show you. So we set up this Calendly link to capture their information, and some of the questions that we ask are like, for example, this is Medicare. So are you on Medicare, Medicaid? Are you part of any kind of state assistance program? Are you over 76 or under 65? And so we kind of ask these different questions here to qualify them before we talk to them. So that's really important for us. And anyways, I just kind of want to show you essentially the back end of this. So again, we had an ad. Someone entered their information on the capture site, lead capture website or a sales funnel. They went here, maybe learned some more information about what you have, and then they had the option to book an appointment, which is through Calendly. And I just showed you how that worked with the questions here, and then also the different bookings that we had. Now, what does that mean for you as an advisor? Well, let's go to my calendar, and I want to show you. So this is, starting in July, I think, but I'm just going to kind of go through my calendar a little bit, just show you this is 2019 and what that may look like. So we'll kind of go over here, and you can see these are different bookings, and these different colors are different calendars that I use. So like a red is a different calendar than a blue and stuff like that, because each sales funnel has its own Calendly linked, so I can keep it separate. And I know that, you know, this is a health call, this is a Medicare call, and so on. Okay, dental calls, stuff like that here. So I'm just kind of going through here, just showing you. I mean, how would you like your, calendar to look like this, and have all these meetings all the time, and be just super busy? This was a different campaign we started doing. I think it's a life insurance campaign, if I remember right, in red. But the point is that your calendar can look like this too. And essentially, the sales funnel program that we have creates all this for you. Okay, so we will create the Calendly link for you. We'll create the sales funnel for you, and we can do Medicare supplements. We can do auto insurance, home insurance, life insurance, health insurance, dental and vision, IULs, whatever kind of program that you're running. And you can run multiple funnels if you want to, like we do. And we also help you advertise them. So these funnels, we charge $1,500 for the funnel, and then your marketing budget is up to you. I would tell you that a good marketing budget is probably $1,500 a month. That's a good starting point for an agent if you really want to be successful with it per funnel. If you're wanting to go big, you know, you could do $20,000 a month. I mean, it just all depends on how much volume you want, how many people you have handling the leads, and your office staff, and what kind of volume you can ultimately process. But anyways, again, my name's Jay Peak. Call me anytime, 844-J-PEAK, and I would love to help you with your funnel and fill up your calendar and get you to the point to where you can start taking appointments like I do. And give me a call anytime. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.